In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a purchase order in QuickBooks Online. Purchase orders are an essential part of managing your business transactions, helping you clearly communicate your needs to suppliers and keep everything organized. In QuickBooks Online, creating a purchase order is both simple and efficient, allowing you to track your expenses and inventory with ease. By following these steps, you'll ensure your purchasing process is smooth and accurate every time. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, you can find a link in the description to get started. Now, let's dive in. First, locate the New button at the top left corner of your QuickBooks Online dashboard and click it. This will open up a variety of options for creating transactions. From this list, select Purchase Order. Next, you'll need to specify the vendor you're placing the order with. Use the vendor field to search for and select the supplier from your existing list. If the supplier isn't already in your vendor list, no worries, you can create a new vendor right here. Simply follow the prompts to add their details, and they'll be saved for future use. Now it's time to fill in the details of your order. For non-inventory items such as services or general expenses, you'll use the Category Details section. Here you can categorize the expense appropriately to ensure your bookkeeping stays accurate. For products or services that have specific names, SKUs, or are being tracked as inventory, use the Item Details section. This allows you to add precise information about the items being ordered. Be sure to include a clear description for each line item, along with the quantity, rate, or cost, and any applicable tax. Providing this level of detail will help your supplier understand your order and ensure accurate billing. If your business uses class or location tracking for reporting purposes, don't forget to add that information here as well. This step is optional, but it's a great way to maintain organized records. Once all the main details are entered, take a moment to carefully review everything. Double-check for spelling errors, ensure the units and quantities are correct, and confirm that all the information matches your intended order. Next, you can add additional details to the purchase order as needed, such as the purchase order date, the PO number, the shipping address, a delivery date, payment terms, or even a message to your vendor. These fields can help make the document more complete and professional. If you have any internal notes that your team might need to reference later, you can include them in the memo field. This section is for your eyes only and won't be visible to the vendor. To keep your records organized, you can also attach supporting documents like quotes or proposals directly to the purchase order. This is especially useful for tracking the context of your order or verifying details later on. When you've finished entering all the information, it's time to save your work. Click Save to finalize the purchase order. From here, you can choose to either save and close to finish up or save and new if you need to create another purchase order right away. Finally, when you're ready, you can either print or email the purchase order to your vendor. QuickBooks Online makes it easy to share the document in whichever way works best for your business. And don't forget, once the purchase order has been fulfilled, you can convert it into a bill or match it to received items to keep your financial records accurate and up to date. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.